how to create a PlayStation Network account. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can create your PlayStation Network account. Let's go and open up a browser on your device. Search for Create Account on PlayStation Network. Look for the official website like the PlayStation, as you can see on the screen, or you can simply open the Sony support website. Next, look for the link on the account management, or simply click this highlighted text under the web browser Setup Account. It will redirect you to Sony website. Here, simply click the Create button. Now select your country or region and select the language you want. Click Next below. Next, enter your correct birth date, then click Next below. After that, enter your email address and create your password. Click the Next button to proceed. It may show a protection steps like completing a CAPTCHA. Just follow the on-screen procedure. Now enter your city, your state or province, and also your postal code. Click on Next to continue. Next, enter your online ID and your name, and then click Continue. Now click the box if you want to receive promotional emails from Sony or not, then read the details of the terms of service and privacy policy. When you're done with that, click the Agree and Create Account to continue. Follow the on-screen procedure to finish creating your PlayStation Network account. And that's how easy you can create your PlayStation account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.